fellow subscribers, friends. Out at my favorite lake, and I'm pretty sure there's a nice, decent bass down here. So I'm gonna set up the camera. Hopefully, I can get one to hit on camera. Wish me luck, buddies. Blue popper, and I got a plastic. Little trick for working is kind of lower by the way. Just sit there, give it a pop, and just flutter. Give it a quick. Just a little Texas Creek worm. Or hot water that comes inside your dog's food. You really slow that roller down and give the bass a chance to really look at it. Got it. Got it. Oh, had him. He had that rod was going. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Might have been a little one. He looked like about maybe 50 pounds. I knew there was one down here, didn't I? Oh well. Let's see if he'll hit again. Doubt it. I mean, I kind of, when I set that hook, he kind of boiled behind it. His foot. Oops. They're very stingy by hitting the second time down here. Another thing, I so need a GoPro. This is how I film. I set up a couple sticks in the ground and try to set the phone up evenly. I got another spot, nice one right here, right down here. I guarantee you there's another couple ones down here, a couple little ones, maybe a big one. Oh, one down there I missed was about a pound. He probably was holding on at the end of it. I missed him. I do an intro, so I guess I'll do it right now. My name's Michael Bernard Pekarski. That's where the MVP and Angling Adventures comes from. MVP, that's me. Let's see. There are the sirens down here. Nice and quiet lake, huh? But it's got a tremendous amount of bass, some massive carp, and decent amount of crappie. I've caught like a 2-pound crappie out of here, but most of them like 8-10 inches. And a lot of decent-sized bluegill, 8-10 inches long. A lot of little ones. But I primarily fish for bass down here because it's basically funner. Let's wait for the sirens to stop. Waiting. Fire engine. Waiting. Waiting. Okay. Okay, I've got the old straight worm on a little Texas rig. I tried a wait list, but they didn't seem to go after it because it wasn't moving fast enough. So I put the little bullet weight on here, and I've been working it kind of fast. I mean, I kind of jolt it like it's basically a fish going by them. And I'm seeing a lot of fry today, and every time I see a school of fry, there's a bass nearby. So they're definitely protecting their young. Okay, let's see. Oh, right now we're fishing in Fairgrounds Park, St. Louis, Missouri. It's a great lake, actually. It's a beautiful lake. It's got areas to play, areas to fish. I mean, it's a great lake. I got a little hula popper on too. I've been getting a lot of little bass with it, so hopefully I can get one on film. So wish me luck. Okay, at it again, folks. I so need a GoPro. I think I'll take the cast in this direction. It'd be off camera, but we should be able to see it. See. I get down low because basically the bass in this lake have seen me so many times, they know me, so I have to be stocky and very wary. Stuck in the prey. A little hula popper. One of my favorite little top waters. Okay, that's straight. Crooked is like, the world's insane, it's crooked. Tree. Frellet. Happens. I mean, I'm casting underneath trees here. I'm bound to get one every once in a while. Come on, biggies. Come on, babies. I mean, I got a 2-pounder today. Another pounder. A couple little 8-10 inchers. This one, nice one down there. That was on camera, so hopefully you can see that pop. Just give it a pop and then twitch it a couple times. Twitch it a couple times, give it a pop. Twitch it a couple times. I've got heavier rods and reels. I really like to use a light action rod and reel. To give it a nice action. And 8-pound test is primarily my main here. Keep your drag tight because these hooks aren't great on hula poppers. You gotta pop them real good. And if you get a real big one, back reel. It's an incredible technique that no one does. You'll make it so you basically never break a lure off, break a fish off. Yeah, I just kind of finesse that lure around the edges. It's dynamite, trust me. If you do that in your local lake or pond, you're going to be amazed at how many bass are in a spot. Go back to the soft plastic here. I like to keep 2 rods rigged up because, you know, one rod kind of, I got to keep retying every 5 seconds. It really gets on my nerves. But with this, I can kind of work a spot really well. And, you know, give it a once through. I know that reel needs oil. Okay, quick in here. The rods I got are a little, basically just a $10 Walmart combo. I mean, I got new strand on here, 8-pound test, and hang on that happens, especially with new line, and you're using small lures. It kind of tangles up on you, but this rod is like a Sears Graphite Shakespeare. It's a $50 rod and reel. It's 6.5 feet. The other one's 5. This one's medium action, the other one's medium to light. I can basically land anything in these lakes on that on either rod. All right, I guess I've given this spot enough of my time. So I'm going to be moving on here in a second. Move down just a little bit. That's a bad idea, taking your eye off the lure, by the way. I don't know how many times I look away. You suckers! How do you know when I'm not looking at the lure? Oh boy. Oh, they do that sometimes. Kind of change it up too every once in a while. I mean, this lure puts out a lot of pops, so you really don't have to go like that. People do that all the time. Not necessary, unless it's really windy or something, and then you're better off using, say, a spinnerbait or something. Moving on. Okay. Spot number 4 on film. Probably get it from about now. Another thing they like doing in this lake, they like hitting with a rod tip. Follow that lure right to the bank, and you're about ready to pull it out. Wow. Yeah, people drive around this lake and not really supposed to, but best, he's doing my best. You know, he'll even take a bluegill or something on film. Speak of the devil. You hit it though. Just about off film too. Little green sunfish. Hit the popper. Whoops. Stepped on my rod. Oopsie. That was dumb, Michael. Oop, shot. Get a lot of them down here. As long as they're not shooting at you, don't care. Another one. How many shots down? Ain't no hunting down here, folks. I had it. Harder as I get down here to the windy side of the lake. That I can go for. This ride, I really need to go for. Here's my buddy geese, by the way. Babies. Whole nest of them. This is my next spot here. I don't really do good here a lot of times. I mean, sometimes, but I'll give it a go. Failure again to get one on film, so I'm just going to concentrate on fishing. When I catch them, I'll show them, and I show the catch and releases. I need a GoPro. Well, this little guy hit. Had to work about maybe 50, 60 yards to get the little guy. Got the little soft plastic, so I'm gonna get back in the water. It started raining, as you can see. little drizzle. Not enough to stop me from fishing. Okay, buddy. Bye-bye, little buddy. See ya. That's a little better. Younger bass hit the spinnerbait as soon as it hit the water. Let's get the hook out of the guy and let him go. He hit right down there, up by the edge. See, my hands are a little shaking. It's a little cold. Bye-bye, buddy. See you around. Hi. On that time, I had to switch to the. Well, it's about it for this video. So, stop. So. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe, and let's get the hook out of the sky and let him go. I'm going to be putting a lot more videos out. I did get a better bass later on in the day, and I missed another big one. Good luck. Stay safe, and hope to see you on the water sometime. 4.5. Wow, it was a fight on 6-pound test. That little Walmart $10 rod and reel I got. God, look at the beauty of that fish. The spots on him or her. Hey, buddy. You ready to go? She's ready to go. Bye. Nice little chunk in the wind. Bye-bye, buddy. Bye-bye.